Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jamie. Thanks for joining me in this video. So following on from the last video I put out where I was discussing how you can start crafting an offer that resonates with your ideal audience and elevates the perception of value of the products and services that you are promoting. Now, because this channel is mainly dedicated to affiliate marketers, of course, I was making it in relation to affiliate marketers. However, the same principles are going to apply regardless of whether you are a coach or a consultant or info product creator, anything like that. So like I say, following on the back of that, I wanted to discuss today the conversion process that you are deploying in your business. So before I get into today's video though, if this is the first time here, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. My name is Jamie Gardiner. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I'm also a coach for a program called the Super Affiliate Accelerator. We were able to win the ClickFunnels 2 Combo Club Award in 2021 for clocking over $1 million for that. And basically what I specialize in is the monetization of very, very small audiences and helping people get started in high ticket affiliate marketing. If that's of interest, feel free to hit the subscribe button and check out the free Facebook group. Stay up to date with everything I'm putting out in my business and basically helping you grow and scale your online business as well. So anyway, I need to really condense that down a bit, don't I? Anyway, all that being said, what I wanted to discuss today is the conversion process. Now, if you think about any business model at all, effectively, there's going to be three components to it. You've got your traffic source, or your audience, you've got the conversion mechanism that you're deploying, and you've also got the actual offer itself. Like I say, I'll leave a link up there for the actual offer video if you want to check that out. And like I say, from that video, if you spend a disproportionate amount of time working on that, what it's going to do is actually take a lot of the load off the rest of your business as well. So today's video, like I say, is really about discussing the conversion aspect. Now, one of the things that I specialize in is the simplification of business in general, specifically when it comes to getting started in high ticket affiliate marketing. One of the problems that I see in the industry in general is there's kind of I'm not going to say it's false information, but this may be a pretty, I guess, accurate description for a lot of you, where you start looking at how to make money online, and you just buy into this idea that you need an email list and you need all these fancy funnels, and you need to build a blog, you need to be on every social media channel and all that type of stuff. And the thing is, I know when I say that, there's a sense of irony, because I've got awards, I've done some stuff, I've got funnels, I've got YouTube channels, I am on a lot of different social media platforms now, but the reality is I didn't need to start off like that. I've been able to build in layers, okay? So, like I say, one of the things I do specialize in is that simplification thereof. And so one of the things that we are very proud of with the Super Affiliate Accelerator in particular is learning how to craft offers and start with very basic premises in your business and adding those layers. So you don't actually need to get started with an email list and 500 autoresponder sequences and a big fancy funnel, anything like that. You can actually just get started with a social media profile. So with all that being said, with the conversion aspect of your business, this is where rubber hits the road when it comes to blending the conversion with the actual offer itself. Okay, and so if you put a bit of time into crafting your offer, and like I say, go check out that latest video. It'll give you really good insight, especially if you are brand new to affiliate marketing in particular, how you can, I guess, elevate the perception of value of whatever it is that you're choosing to promote, right? So with the conversion aspect, the big, I guess, advice that I give to anyone starting out or growing, it really doesn't matter, is just to pick one way. That's all you need, just one way to convert cold prospects into hot buyers, right? And the reason why I say that is because I think a lot of people have, like I say, bulk funnels, and they've got websites, they've got all this stuff, and they don't really have a specific singular mechanism in order to take someone who's new to your audience, take them through a bit of a pathway to indoctrinate them, to help them out with stuff, to give them results in advance before actually asking for the sale and showing them your offer, right? And so what my advice is, like I say, is just pick one single thing. You don't actually need to make it too complex. A lot of what I teach is really based around just getting in front of individuals, and that's quite literally just reaching out to people. It is looking for warm leads from your audience, learning how to actually extract those warm leads from your audience, and then being able to have a conversation with them, try and bridge them to a call if you're interested, and then sell whatever it is you have on the other side of that. Having said that, I think where a lot of people get really confused, especially if you are doing Facebook organic marketing, is some days you might look at jumping on a call, and then other days you're going to just make an offer in Messenger, and then other days you're going to throw a Google Doc in front of a bunch of people and all these things, because you're not really refining any one singular approach. What it means is that you're scattering your energy. So if you've already put the work into the offer, I would stick with just one way to convert those people, and choose it and stick with it. And you can always blend, eventually you can always mold into something else. You can always have different funnels, you can always have different pathways that you take people down. But I think it's really important just to master one to get started. Like I say, what we mainly teach is quite literally just getting in front of people that have similar interests to yourself, that are a pool of hungry buyers, and presenting your offer to them. And that can be done in Messenger through a scripting process and a framework, or if you want to get fancy, you can bridge them over to a call. My probably, I guess, strong advice to anyone starting out is don't be afraid of the phone. Like, quite literally, let go of any expectations of needing to make a sale, and just hop on a call and just introduce yourself and have a bit of a chat with someone. And the reason being is because you're going to build a deeper bond with your audience. And yes, I know it's individual basis. I know that you're only speaking to one person at a time, but the thing is that a lot of the time, once you learn the skill, it's going to carry into everything else that you do. It's going to carry into your content, because you're going to understand the pain points that come up in these conversations. You know, remember the certain things that you spoke to people about and what they've gone through in their own life and their struggles, and that's going to give you more fodder for your content moving forward as well. So just choose one. Like I say, the other thing is, if you want to throw just a page in front of someone, or you want to get them through email marketing, or you want to just use, I guess, YouTube as a funnel and then funnel them into a certain thing, then treat that as such. But just stick to one to start with. And like I say, once you start that and once you get some results with that, you can always add these other layers on. So to give you a bit of an example, with my own business, I still hop on calls these days. I don't do it as much. I don't really need to. However, I still choose to. I like to get, I guess, in touch with my audience and sort of learn a little bit more about who they are and how I might be able to help them out. But I don't need to. Like I say, sometimes I'll just throw a Google Doc at them. Other times I will just close them in Messenger and nothing else. It really just depends on the actual framework itself and how the dynamic of the conversation has unfolded. But having said that, I've been doing online marketing for 10 years, right? Like, it's a little bit different when you have a little bit more experience. However, like I say, again, repeating myself now, but stick to that one thing. Choose what it's going to be. And if it's a funnel, and if it's like a call funnel, then stick with that. Work it, get it working for you, optimize it, nail that. And then if you want to get really fancy with other things later on, like Messenger, like throwing a Google Doc in front of someone, like a couple of Facebook posts, and then selling them on the back of that, then so be it, right? That's exactly what this game's all about, and why it's really fun is that you start to develop these other aspects of your business moving forward. But like I say, key takeaway for this is, please just stick to one thing, master that, and you'll find that you'll grow your business so much quicker and in such a linear fashion once you are committed to sticking to that one thing, right? So anyway, that's it for today. Just wanted to knock out this really quick video. Just to recap really quickly, go work on your offer, go check out that video I put down the other day. There'll be a link there somewhere if you want to check that out. That's going to take you through how to craft your offer and what to look for and what to, I guess, do in order to maximize the perception of value from your offer itself. And then once you've got that, that's kind of like the top of your funnel right there, right? Like, it's at the top of your pyramid, so to speak. And all your content can come off that, all your conversion mechanism can come off the back of that as well. So anyway, that's it. That's conversion. Go and pick one thing, absolutely nail it, go master that, and then look to evolve your business after you've actually refined that one skill. And you'll find that you'll catapult your results a lot quicker and a lot further as a result of doing that. Anyway, my name's Jamie. Hit that subscribe button. Feel free to join our free Facebook group as well, the link below there, and look forward to catching you guys on the next one. Thanks very much.